Hello, welcome to today's video on what is Tableau. My name is Sam and I'll be taking us through today's session. To take a quick overview of what we'll be talking about today, first we'll be looking at Tableau defined. Secondly, we'll be looking at why Tableau, and then we'll move on to types of Tableau products and getting started with Tableau. Now, what is Tableau? Tableau is an interactive data visualization and business intelligence software. Tableau gives its users the ability to see and understand their data. And Tableau can connect to almost any database, files, big data sources, cloud, etc. Now, Tableau is used for visualization, reporting, dashboards, analytics, and so on and so forth. Tableau is used by businesses, academic researchers, government organizations, etc. According to Gartner's Magic Quadrant, Tableau is positioned as one of the leading business intelligence software. Why Tableau? Before I start going on the list of why we use Tableau, just let's take a quick look at the picture to our right. On the top is a typical sample of what our data looks like. But this could be a relational database. It could be, any data source that we have, and we have our data looking like this. To a great extent, it would be definitely tough to get insights from such data. Now, what Tableau does, going by the picture down, we've been able to connect to such a data source, in this case, which is Excel, and we've been able to transform it into a much more meaningful or insightful dashboard. And we can have, like we have a visual analytics of what we want to talk about, and we can see this real time, and we can as well, have a summary of what our position or our data is at any point in time. Now, to just briefly list out why we're using Tableau, as seen on the left, the speed, it's very, very fast. Visual insights, just like how I explained earlier, and as seen on the picture. Real-time analytics. Tableau allows us to be able to connect to our data real time, and then it's pretty much easy to use. You can as well centralize your data. You can literally prepare your data and publish them on Tableau server, and anybody else will be able to access such data. And like I said earlier, you can literally connect to multiple data sources. You can connect to relational database. You can connect to cloud. You can connect to files. Now let's look at Tableau products. The types of Tableau products we have in the market. I listed them out in the order that it would be easier for us to understand. It's not in the order of importance. So the very first one is actually Tableau Prep. Uh, this is the software that is used to prepare and get your data ready for analysis. While the second one is Tableau Desktop. You could see I highlighted it in red, and the reason is most of the time when we're talking about Tableau, this is the software we are actually referring to. This is where all the action begin. Um, this is where you get to like develop your analysis, your data visualization, and this is your major tool as a Tableau developer. And then the next one is Tableau Server. Tableau Server enables you to share your analysis and insight with other members of the organization. After developing your analysis and you've gained insight and so on and so forth, you don't want to leave that only on your desktop. You want to be able to share it with members of your team or the executives or, like anybody within the organization. This is where Tableau Server comes in. The fourth one is Tableau Online. Now, Tableau Online, to just simply define it, it's Tableau Server on the cloud. I think that's the easiest definition I can give to that. And next will be Tableau Public. Now, Tableau Public is the free version of Tableau Desktop. Now, Tableau Desktop, for you to use Tableau Desktop, you have to buy a license. But if you don't have the money for that, if you're just an individual person or you just want to create analysis, you'll be using public data, then you don't necessarily need to buy a Tableau Desktop license. Then you can literally use Tableau Public. And then lastly is Tableau Reader as well. This is a free desktop application used to open and interact visualizations built in Tableau Desktop. See the link to both Tableau Desktop and Tableau Public below this video. To get started with Tableau, open your Tableau Desktop or Tableau Public, and it will bring you to this landing page. Let's connect to Excel. As an example, I have an Excel file called reports, and I'm just going to drag the table, my product table, into the canvas. And once I do that, I can see the data being populated. But in this instance, I'm not interested in this table, so I drag it back. I want to look at my sales table, and we can see data in it: product ID, customer, sales, and location. Now, I want to create a quick chart. I select my sheet and I drag sales to rows. And let's say I'm interested in seeing sales by customer. I drag customer to column and I have my first chart created. I can see that John bought product worth $15 and Sam bought product worth $5 and Sarah bought product worth $20. If I need to create another chart, I click on the next icon right there. And let's say I'm interested in seeing sales. I'm dragging sales to row and sales by location. I drag location to column. And then now I can see Austin, Texas. Philadelphia is where we have our highest sales. And I can see Seattle was the next location with the highest sales. Let's assume I just want to change this chart to a pie chart. I select pie chart and I can click on this drop down that has standard and select entire view. And with that, I have changed my chart to pie chart. Let's say I'm interested in changing it to a tree map. I just select whatever chart I'm pretty much interested in. And that is how simple you can really get started with Tableau. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe to our YouTube page, like us, and remember to share as well. Till our next video, stay safe and take care.